Have you faced an issue with the iMessages search not working after the iOS 17 update on your iPhone? Don't worry. Hey there, welcome back. Here is an advanced guide on how to fix this iMessage not working problem after a recent update. So, let's get started. First, open the App Store, type iMessage. Now check if there is any update available. If there is an update, then try to update the app. Then try the next solution. Solution 1. Enable the sync on this phone option. Open Settings. Tap on your Apple ID. After that, tap on iCloud Drive and ensure that you've turned on Sync this phone option. And try our next solution below. Solution 2. Enable the iMessage option. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on iMessage app. After that, disable the iMessage option. Then wait a second and enable the iMessage option again. After that, in the same interface, tap on Siri and search, and ensure that the Show app in the search option is turned on. Now you can disable or enable that option. After that, make sure all option is turned on. After successfully doing these two solutions, simply restart your iPhone and check your issue whether if it's solved or not. Otherwise, try our next process. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset, then tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings, and they will reset all the settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure, by resetting all settings, your phone will be reset, so you should remember your password as well. So, this is how you can solve this iMessage search not working issue on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.